If you don't write your story, so much will be lost. Every day we're different, and the memories of what was and what we've been, and the discovery of who we are now could all be lost. But we have this chance now to stop. We're stopping to find the difficult and beautiful truths of our lives. And what a gift it will be to send this awakening, these crafted and compelling words onto others, that they and we may not pilgrim alone. And once you start writing, such clarity, discovery, and consolations will come to you. You will not want to stop. So let me help you find and tell the truth of your story. It'll be a compelling story. It'll be crafted. It'll be a healing story. And in the finding and telling of that better story, I promise you'll live it too.
I know you have a remarkable story. May I help you tell it? Hi, I'm Leslie Leyland Fields, and I'm the author of 12 books. My most recent is Your Story Matters: Finding, Writing, and Living the Truth of Your Life. I've been teaching writing for 30 years, and in just the last few years, I've taught thousands around the world in discovering and writing their stories, from conferences and workshops in the United States, in Mongolia, South Africa, Slovakia, France, and beyond. I've taken the best of all of this material and created a new online course, Why Your Story Matters and How to Tell It. This course is unique. We've created 24 information-rich and fun videos, and you won't be writing alone. You'll be part of an online community of fellow writers with feedback and support as you go. And I'll be leading live sessions, teaching sessions all along the way. You can do it. You can turn your memories into meaningful stories that will impact others and that will go out and impact the world. All the information is below. Check it out and see what people in the community now, in the Your Story Matters community, have to say about it. I hope to see you soon.